Your Whirlpool Maytag washer make noise and not complete the cycle. Make kinda grating noise. So this is the way you have to fix it by yourself. As you can see, so I tilt the washer and put on my dolly, but you can let it down to the wall excuse me, or something. So this is the most part when these collage this belt get oily, you can see. So it's make it sleep, is not goes to full spin. It will goes on a spin cycle without any clothes, but when you try to put clothes on them, it's get heavy. So this is a slip and it's not gonna suppose the way it should be spin. So these are the most issue. And if you're facing with this kind of issue, you know, facing face, you have to need to check these underneath. If you see one of this kind of greasy, oily, then you need to replace it. Thank you.